Hello everyone. Today's video is all about important days of April 2020. Let's start. April 2, World Autism Day. World Autism Day is observed every year by the members of the UN to take measures to increase awareness about autism spectrum disorder. Theme: the transition to adulthood. Autism is a development disorder causing problems in social interaction and communication. ये एक तरीके का ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट डिसऑर्डर होता है. Then April 7, World Health Day. This day is marked to celebrate the work of midwives and nurses for their role in keeping the world safe and healthy. In my previous videos मैंने आपको बताया है कि इस साल 2020 को सेलिब्रेट किया गया है एज एन इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ नर्स एंड मिडवाइफ, राइट? तो थीम इज सपोर्ट नर्सेज एंड मिडवाइफ्स. Then April 17, World Hemophilia Day. This day is observed by the World Federation of Hemophilia. Theme: Get Plus Involved. It is a disorder in which the blood doesn't clot normally. April 18, World Heritage Day. It is also celebrated as the International Day of Monuments and Sites. We all know that ancient buildings and monuments are an asset for us and for the world. Therefore, World Heritage Day एक collective effort है सारी communities का to maintain the cultural legacy, अपनी cultural legacy को maintain करने के लिए. Theme is shared culture, shared heritage and shared responsibility. आज जब पूरी दुनिया कोविड-19 से लड़ रही है तब ये थीम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है एज इट फोकसेस ऑन ग्लोबल यूनिटी, बिकॉज ये ग्लोबल यूनिटी पे फोकस करती है. This day is celebrated to create awareness about diversity, heritage and vulnerability of the monuments and heritage sites. April 22, World Earth Day. It is an annual event celebrated around the world on April 22 to demonstrate support for environmental protection. Theme: Climate Action. This year 2020 marked the 50th anniversary of the Earth Day. इस साल 50th anniversary थी Earth Day की, और जो फर्स्ट अर्थ डे था वो सेलिब्रेट हुआ था 22 अप्रैल 1970 में. देन April 23, वर्ल्ड बुक डे. इस डे को वर्ल्ड कॉपीराइट डे भी बोला जाता है एंड इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड बाय यूनेस्को. यूनेस्को इज यूनाइटेड नेशंस एजुकेशनल, साइंटिफिक एंड कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. It is celebrated to recognize the scope of books as a link between the past and the future. Kuala Lumpur was officially recognized as the 2020 UNESCO's World Book Capital. 2020 में World Book Capital officially recognize किया है कुआला लुम्पुर को. The day honors the world famous authors William Shakespeare, Miguel de Cervantes and all authors. 24th April, National Panchayati Raj Day. This day is also called National Local Self-Government Day. On this day, the Constitution of India recognized panchayats as institution of self-government. The 73rd Amendment came into effect on 24th April and by this constitutional status was given to the Panchayati Raj system. तो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में 73rd अमेंडमेंट आया था जिसकी वजह से पंचायती राज सिस्टम को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल स्टेटस मिला. सबसे पहले सेलिब्रेट हुआ था 2010 में. पंचायती राज सिस्टम पे बहुत सारी कमिटीज़ भी बनी हैं, जैसे कि बलवंत राय मेहता कमेटी जिन्होंने रिकमेंड किया था इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ पंचायती राज सिस्टम. उसके बाद और भी कमिटीज़ हैं जैसे कि अशोक मेहता कमेटी है एंड मैनी मोर कमिटीज़ आर देयर. April 25, वर्ल्ड मलेरिया डे. थीम: Zero Malaria Starts With Me. The day aims to spread awareness about malaria disease globally and also promote efforts to prevent malaria around the world. As we all know, malaria is a mosquito-borne infectious disease and its symptoms are typically include fever, tiredness, vomiting and headaches. April 25, World Immunization Week. Every year, last week of April is marked as the World Immunization Week by WHO. The observation of week aims to promote the use of vaccines in order to protect people of all ages against disease. Theme: Vaccines Work for All. The first vaccine developed was the smallpox vaccine. So immunization क्या होता है? It is a way of preventing a person from getting a disease. मतलब आपको prevent करता है ताकि आपको disease ना हो. So it is a process whereby a person is made immune or resistant to an infectious disease. April 26, World Intellectual Property Day. The day is celebrated to encourage creativity and innovation. It was established by WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization. Theme: Innovate for Green Future. इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स कौन सी हैं हमारी, जैसे कि पेटेंट्स, कॉपीराइट, इंडस्ट्रियल डिज़ाइन, ट्रेडमार्क्स, प्लांट वैरायटी राइट्स एंड एक्सेट्रा. देयर आर सो मेनी इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स. Now let's talk about the month April. The April month is considered as Global Astronomy Month, GAM. It is organized each April by Astronomers Without Border and is the world's largest global celebration of astronomy. Global Astronomy Month 2020 brings new ideas and opportunities that bring astronomy enthusiasts together worldwide to celebrate one people, one sky. So that's all for the important days of April 2020. I hope it's clear. For further updates, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.